Folks, there's nothing better than a new data book. And in fact, the only thing that make a new book better is when it's free. We're gonna do an unboxing here. Just got this one in the mail the other day. I think I know which one it is. Trusty K-Bar. All right. What we got here? Definitive Guide to Alteryx Designer by my man, Joshua Burkow, a fine fellow Marine. Isn't it funny how all the outward-facing people at Alteryx are Marines? Me, Josh, Jay Garcia. What's up, man? Awesome. Yeah, forward by Olivia Dwayne Adams and Dean Stocker, the founders of Alteryx. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna rip into this thing. Hey, down in the comments, let me know. Are you reading this? I'm still kind of working on the Alteryx cookbook as well. So, all right, this thing looks fantastic. Thank you, Josh, for the copy. Thank you to O'Reilly Publishing. And yeah, next thing they'll hear from me on this is how good it is. Semper Fidelis, talk to you later.